Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an RB26dett R32 Type M stock gauge cluster fitted with a NISMO speedometer. This is the stock gauge cluster from the factory for the R32 Type M, the EC-R32 chassis type vehicle here in Japan, in good tidy condition. And the NISMO cluster, you can see the NISMO speedometer, you can see there. We'll go to some closer photos in good working condition. And this is the NISMO speedometer. Now in Japan, the rule is that a vehicle for road purposes cannot have a speedometer that exceeds 180 kilometers per hour. And this is the NISMO speedometer made by the NISMO company, a subsidiary of the Nissan Motor Company specializing in motor racing and performance parts. The NISMO speedometer intended for off-road and racing purposes only, and with a 260 kilometer per hour full-scale speedometer reading there. So 260 kilometers per hour, of course stock being only 180, so the regular JDM, Japan domestic market speedometer only reading to 180 kilometers per hour. So the 260 kilometer per hour NISMO speedometer for off-road and racing purposes only, fitted into the stock cluster for the RB26dett R32 Type M EC-R32 Skyline. The stock cluster in great condition, the speedometer as well also in great working condition. The other side of the stock cluster there, as you can see, everything in great, good, tidy order, 100% working order. And we have a close-up here of the speedometer. So the NISMO speedometer, made by the NISMO company here, with a 260 kilometers per hour, the full-scale speedometer, and the cluster with the clear cover fitted. So here we have put the cover back on. Previously the cover was removed for the photos, for clarity in the photos. This is with the cover back on. You can see everything intact in very good, tidy, clean order. And finally, the back of the unit, you can see here the circuit board, very tidy, very clean. So 100% working order. JDM stock cluster with a NISMO speedometer fitted. The NISMO racing purposes only, 260 kilometers per hour, full-scale speedometer, made by the NISMO company here in Japan, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.